Hi, my name's Graham. I run a company called Ausdale Electric Vehicles and Oz Electric Vehicles. The history of what we do goes back a long way. We started here in this building and we still do Suzuki specialist repairs and spare parts. During the course of the years, I came across people who made their own little electric cars out of Suzuki. I was intrigued, and about 2008, we built three Suzuki Swifts that were destined for scrap metal. Those three Suzuki Swifts still are running today. So that's 2008 to today. That's quite a long lifespan for these cars. But they're still used every day. And it was a bit of a success story. And since then, people ask me, can you build me one? Can you do this? So one thing led to another. And now, basically, it's half of our business right now is doing electric conversions or helping people do their own. I'm pretty much self-taught. We started at a time where there was no educators out there. There was no one that really knew what they were doing. There's a lot of misinformation. There's still a lot of misinformation. So what we chose to do a few years back was do a electric vehicle DIY class. We do them one Saturday a month. It's usually the third Saturday a month, except for December. We did want to have a bit of a Christmas break, so we didn't do it in December. So yeah, we'll do them. It's a 4 to 5 hour class, but generally people are here for 6 to 7 hours sort of thing, because there's a lot of talk afterwards. What I try to do as classes is educate everybody to know what I know. And you don't need to be a rocket scientist to do this. You just have to have good work practices, watch the safety side of things, understand you're dealing with the high voltage electricity and so on. But pretty much I've helped, I would be guessing 30, 40 people with their cars. Not one of them has hurt themselves yet. A few have wired things up wrong and burnt a few wires, but nothing serious. So I do believe anybody can do it. We've dumbed our kits down to the point where you don't even have to make up the wiring room. We make it up for you. So that's where we wanted to go with our Oz DIY electric vehicle. Is we wanted to build up a situation where we can do bespoke conversions, and we do quite a few. But we're more than happy to help people out with supplying them a kit-like situation where they can do their own work. We might do some of the work for them. We might do piecework, certain things they might not be able to do or not confident with. Then they'll bring the car in, we'll do the job, put the car back out again, and they can go and complete their kits. Most have been quite successful. I can't think of a bad one yet. So yeah, this is what we do. This is what we've been doing for a long time. Watch this space because we're about to expand quite dramatically soon.